Hey, Sinilolu here, and thanks for joining me on my channel. On my channel, I'm really here to help you create passive income online. Now, when I say help you, I'm not an expert, but it's something that I started a few years ago, and as I'm learning, my whole channel is about being transparent and showing you what's working for me and what isn't working for me. Right now, cryptocurrency is working for me, and it's so interesting to see how literally the whole world has jumped on this bandwagon. Now, if you're listening to this and you're wondering what cryptocurrency is, then keep watching, because I'm here to show you how you can actually start off in this whole game or industry. It's not really a game, because when you're making money, it's not a game, it's for real. So in this video, I'm just bringing you fast breaking news on what is really going on in this world. Now we have, let me see, PwC, PricewaterhouseCoopers. They're one of the big 4 consultancy companies in the world. And here it is. PwC Hong Kong accepts Bitcoin for financial consultancy services. So here it is. The company is currently the second biggest big 4 auditing company in the world and has held this record for the past 7 years. This week, so this is the week of the 12th of March 2018, the Wall Street Journal reports that the company's Hong Kong office has accepted Bitcoin as a payment for consultancy services. That is great news for us who are in this cryptocurrency space. And if you keep reading, it says here that they're not even the first, because here it is. The company is a touch behind its competitors, as both Deloitte and EY, that's Ernst&Young, have offices that also accept the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. They actually have ATMs as well. I think here Deloitte in the Toronto office, they actually have a Bitcoin ATM in the lobby. So really, this is an argument for those of you who are still on the fence about Bitcoin. Right below in the description box, you can open your first cryptocurrency account where you can purchase as little as $5, €5, whatever it is, to actually get into the cryptocurrency space. Some quotes here. One of the reasons why you need to be investing. In fact, in our view, cryptocurrency represents the beginning of a new phase of technology-driven markets that have the potential to disrupt conventional market strategies, long-standing business practices, and establish regulatory perspectives, all to the benefit of consumers and broader macroeconomic efficiencies. So banking the way we've known it, out the window. This is new technology. This is, I will say, this is like the internet on steroids. If you're one of those who have been investing in the stock market or, in all these other traditional ventures, I have done that also in the past. Really, this is the way forward. Of course, I'm not saying to ditch all your old ways, keep your bank account, keep your old ways of investing, but definitely you want to add cryptocurrency investing to your portfolio. So some more news on PricewaterhouseCoopers. Of course, it's a major accounting firm, and here again it announces that it is trialing a blockchain analytical tool designed to trade digital tokens from launch. So they're backing ICOs, initial coin offerings. That's another thing to look out for. PwC and its Hong Kong forensic service partner Ernst&Young have indicated that the company seeks to capitalize a growing interest in raising funds through initial coin offerings among businesses in Asia's manufacturing, technology, and retail sectors. Now, this is all to say that they're really backing cryptocurrency, and they're developing tools for their various global clients to help their global clients. Here it's saying to help them track the use of ICOs through assisting them with legal considerations such as KYC, know your client, and anti-money laundering measures. So very interesting. For those of you who want to know a little bit more about ICOs, here is an article that has been written by PricewaterhouseCoopers. I have to hesitate to pronounce their full name, PwC. This is it. I'll leave a link in the description box. What are ICOs? How are they structured? So for those of you who really want to, know a little bit more about ICOs, but yeah, that is really it. So this is just an argument for jumping into the cryptocurrency race as it is. It's never too late. In fact, now, March 2018, today is the 12th of March, is as good a time as any to get into cryptocurrency because the market is pretty deflated right now. So it's a buyer's market. Now is the time to pick up your Bitcoin or your altcoins at yesterday's prices. So just wrapping it up for today, this is just my argument to help you. For those of you especially who are on the fence trying to figure out, do I do this, do I not do this? I've left a link in the description box below to help you open your very first cryptocurrency account. And there's no minimum that you have to invest to start off with cryptocurrency investment. It can be as little as €5 or $5, £5, depending on your currency. And you can just kind of test the waters and see how that works for you. I've also left a few videos that you can link to help you kind of circumvent this whole cryptocurrency space and see how I have been doing it over the past few months, and hopefully it'll benefit you. Now, if you have liked anything in this video, I would appreciate a like. Comment below. Let me know if you have any questions I can help you with. And most importantly, you can help me grow my channel by subscribing. And don't forget to hit the bell as well. I will catch you on the next video.